Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematical Lens. In this video, we are continuing with chapter 1, large numbers around us. And we are going to cover page number 18 and 19. Did you ever wonder? So Isto is amused by all the interesting facts which we discussed in the last video, right? So while thinking about this, he came up with an unusual question. Could the entire population of Mumbai fit into 1 lakh buses? Now, what do you think? So, how can we find out? Let us see. So, let us assume a bus can accommodate 50 people, right? So, then 1 lakh buses can accommodate 1 lakh into 50, that is 50 lakh people, correct? Now, we saw the population of Mumbai in the previous videos, in the previous pages it is given. So, it is 1 crore 24 lakhs, right? So 1 crore 24 lakhs, and here we were getting only 50 lakh people. 1 lakh buses can accommodate. So no, the bus cannot fit in the whole population of Mumbai. Right. Now there is another situation. The RMS Titanic ship carried about 2,500 passengers. Now can the population of Mumbai fit into 5,000 such ships? Right. So let us try to calculate that. So if we multiply 2500 into 5,000, so we get the answer as 1 crore 25 lakhs. Right, 1 crore 25 lakhs is the answer when we multiply these two. So yes, and the population of Mumbai is 1 crore and we are getting 1 crore 25 lakhs. Here 1 crore 24 lakhs. So yes, the passengers of Mumbai can fit in 5,000 such ships. Right. Now let us see what is given further. Now, inspired by this strange situation, Roxy wondered, if I could travel 100 kilometers every day, could I reach the moon in 10 years? Now, the distance between the Earth and the moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. So, first, how far would she travel in a year? So, in a year, how many days are there? 365. So, if we multiply 365 into 100, because every day she is traveling 100 kilometers. So 36,500 kilometers she can travel in a day, right? In a year, sorry. Then how far she have traveled in 10 years. So let us see, we have already found out for 1 year. So we'll multiply that with 10. So the answer is 3,65,000 kilometers. This much she will be able to cover up, and the distance is 3,84,400. Right. So no, she will not be able to cover up the distance in 100 years. Okay. 10 years. So it is not, is it, you saw that this is an easier way of calculation. First you calculate for 1 year, then you convert it into 10 years, right? So you should use such methods for larger calculations. Now another question is, find out if you can reach the sun in a lifetime if you travel 1,000 kilometers every day. So earlier we had written the distance between Earth and the sun, that was 14 crore 70 lakhs. Fine. Now let us see, we'll do the same way. So this is talking about 1 year. So if we multiply, suppose we live for 100 years, we suppose maximum we take 100 years, people live for more than that also, but we'll get a rough idea whether we can cover the distance or not. So 365 multiplied by 100 We are supposing that we live for 100 years and we multiply it by 1000 because every day you are covering 1000 kilometers. Why 365? 1 year has 365 days. Into 100, we suppose that we live for 100 years. And into 1000, why? Because we are covering 1000 kilometers every day. So if we multiply this, we get 3 crore 65 lakhs. And the distance is, the distance between the sun and the earth, I'll write here so that it's easy for you to recollect. 14 crore 70 lakhs. Now if we compare these two numbers, this is only 3 crore something, this is 14 crore. Right, so we will not be able to cover up the distance. Correct, so the answer is no. Now make necessary reasonable assumptions and answer the following questions. Right, there are a few more questions. A, if a single sheet of paper weighs 5 grams, could you lift 1 lakh sheets of paper together at the same time? So if you multiply 5 into 1 lakh, so you get 5 lakh, right? That is equal to 5 lakhs. Now, 5 lakh, it is difficult to imagine 5 gram, right? How much it is. So we divide it by 1000. Why by 1000? Because 1 kg is 1000 gram. It is easier for us to understand or imagine in grams. So this will be equal to, we strike off 3 zeros from here, right? And we get the answer as 500 kg. Now 500 kg will be a little difficult for us to lift. So if 250 babies are born every minute across the world, will a million babies be born in a day? Right? So now 1 day has how many hours? 24 hours. So we write 24. And 1 hour has how many minutes? 60 minutes. They have asked in minutes, so we are converting it into minutes. And in 1 minute, how many babies are born? 250. So we multiplied by 250. So when we multiply these numbers, what do we get is 360,000. That is, you can say 360,000, but I have written in American system because they have asked in millions. So this is not close to million, so the answer is no. Million babies will not be born in a day. Question number C. Can you count 1 million coins in a day? Assume you can count 1 coin every second. Now they have asked in seconds. So same procedure we'll do. 1 day has 24 hours, so we'll write 24. Then 1 hour has 60 minutes, so we multiply it by 60. And 1 minute has 60 seconds, so we multiply it by 60 again. Right? So what do we get over here? We get 86,400 coins we will be able to count only. And they are asking for 1 million. Again, it is not at all close to 1 million. So the answer is no. We can't count 1 million coins in a day, even if we count 1 coin every second, right? So they have asked you think and create more such fun questions and share them with the class. This can be done in the class discussions. Thank you.